What's good, boys? Welcome back to a new video where I get crushed again. What happened today? Well, let's explain it. First, we have to go to Forex Factory. As you know, GBP, JPY, GPY, and GBP. So, loads of volatility, loads of, maybe not the best day to trade, and yet I did. Yeah. Basically, well, somewhere. I actually don't know where I entered, so I'll just put it there. Um, Basically, we had Asia session highs getting well, not even like that, but like chopping around. And as soon as I saw a break, I said, "Bro, let's enter this shit," and I did. Boom, 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 boom. So that's actually my first error. Um, I don't have like I actually have to wait for the thing. But yeah, really chopped around, and I kind of knew that it will go my way. Actually, I entered here maybe that at some point it will reverse because I don't know. It just had this intuition, and it did. So moved my stop loss here. Let me go back to the 5 minute. Move my stop loss here. Boom, boom, boom. Again high. So moved it to break even. Another high here. I know really low high, but moved it here. Actually, I moved it here because kind of emotional, not gonna lie. But I wanted to have, maximum profits, thinking of the P&L where I should have let it there. But even like that, you can clearly see that it not hit. And well, due to the slippage of FTMO, it did. And I got stopped out. I saw this big red candle. I told myself, let's re-enter. Uh, Wrong, bro. Wrong. I should have just let the market, I shouldn't even have entered at the beginning, bro, to start with. But yeah, re-enter, chop, 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 chop. Um, Made this high. I had at the beginning the scaling point like that, a bit of a bonus. Like I think it was maybe like 30 or 40 euros, so not much, but still a bonus, you know what I mean? And basically, as soon as I saw this thing forming, I said, bro, yeah, as soon as it goes under, boom, I answer. And so I did, and it went well. Um, but here, some point, I don't know why. Well, I know that there was some news, and when there is news, the slippage goes absolutely crazy. So everywhere, like every trade I had a stop loss, I got stopped out basically. The main trade I had and the scaling point, actually I did not. And I don't know why. I forgot. I probably forgot. But basically I was still there with the break even. Um, and well, went up, went down, went up again, and I said, bro, let's just leave the table. Don't worry, you know. Happens sometimes. Just not a good day. And actually, I was quite right. I was right. Um, so yeah, loads of volatility. Well, we can see by the GBP and JPY. The two I trade. I don't know if I said it already. Probably yes. Um, and yeah, no, not great. The kind of a tricky day. Because well, here I don't know, actually don't know where to put my TP, so I decided to put it here between, like kind of between the two. Normally, if this is not here, I would usually put it there, but because they were so close together, I said, I don't know. I just said, bro, let's see here. Normally, it does go until there, but today it did not. Um, and well, my strategy should have saved me here because I would have had my stop loss here at the beginning, but because I got stopped out, I didn't even secure a bit of profit and I ended up losing a bit. So pass from being almost 1% up to half percent down. Nothing crazy, bro. Nothing crazy. We are still way consistency score really poor. Well, not ideal. Um, and yeah, simply, average profit, average loss, win rate, boom, average RRR. Actually, I'm positive, but due to where can I see, bro? Basically, due to commissions, I'm not profitable. Um, I haven't. I really don't care. It's like that. We're only half percent down. Um, but yeah, really not. Basically, not trading well. Those 2 days that I've started the combine, not trading well, and I want to change that. I would love to change that, and actually, I think I had an enlightenment. Um, Literally yesterday, bro. We are right now Sunday, and this was Friday. And yesterday I had an enlightenment, and I told myself, like, I was thinking and thinking about this, like, how can I do it better, bro? How can it not happen to me? Because well, the scaling point strat, I did it good compared to the other day, and it won't happen. It won't ever happen to me, like, to make this wrong, because I've learned my lesson from this time. I've learned my lesson, but like, not respecting my strategy in general, I still do some mistakes. So I told myself, bro, let's see it another way around. I'll probably do another video just to explain it a bit more. Um, I actually I don't know, because most people would have already quit. Like the video, like this video, most people have already quit. So I'll probably do another one so I can name it after that, and maybe kind of make it viral. You know what I mean? Or try. Yeah, basically, it's that, um, bro, I want to change the perspective of a winning day and a losing day. Basically, from now on, a winning day will be a day that I respect the plan. No matter the outcome. No matter the outcome, a winning day will be all right. You're respecting the plan. Good. You won. Even though I may have lost, actually you won. And I will try to emphasize now more on the fact, like, bro, if I want this to be a winning day, I just respect the plan, and it will be, and I'll count it like that. You know, how do I have a winning month or profitable month? Well, by respecting every day, the strat, and the actually the months that I've done this, well, that I respected my stride without crashing out, without making, demo, it worked. Um, so I know that my strategy is profitable, but what I don't know is if to respect my plan, basically. So that will be probably my new emphasis, that losing month, even though I win, for example, those two last days would be losing days. Sorry, not losing months. Both would be losing days. And yet still I am at break even, right? So that's maybe the thing I would like to change, and that I will change. And I'll probably do an update video about this thing in maybe a month or two to see if it actually worked, and maybe if it helps me to respect the plan, right? Because I don't know, it just makes more sense to me to see it like that, because now I'll be more focused on respecting, like, now with this focus, my number one priority is not even the trade, is to respect the plan, right? Because I want to respect the plan to be profitable, to have a profitable month, even though if on the numbers it's not really profitable. If I respected my plan, for me it will be, right? And afterwards, well, maybe we can see how the number grows, but I don't care, because my real goal, well, my real goal obviously is to pass the account. the my goal will be to just respect the plan to have more winning days, more winning days, more winning days. Yeah, so I don't want to make it too long. Hopefully you understood. But basically that will be my new emphasis. I think that this new perspective clearly detached me from, greed, actually looking at the P&L, because now I, for example, this day here, now I won't see, all right, yeah, 300, 280. Well, I put it here, so it's round, right? No, I'll put it where I should because I don't care how much I make. I actually care that I respect the plan. So these kind of days won't, this day would have been a winning day because, well, I would not have entered on the scaling, right? It wouldn't, the scaling plan, the plan in general wouldn't have failed because I said, all right, it's not my plan. I don't enter. All right. Here, oh, hit TP. I don't have to enter the scaling. I don't, but I respected it because, well, I didn't mess it up here, or you know what I mean. I hope I'm not messing this up, and you understood it well. Um, but that will be my new emphasis. Maybe instead of putting the stop loss here to lose only 100, I'll put it here and just reduce lot sizing or giving more breathing room as I should. Because, bro, I don't care if I lose. The only thing I care is to respect the plan. Again, um, so yeah, I'll try to do it. I'll keep you guys updated. And if you see a video of this a month from now on, 2 months from now on, it means it has worked. We'll see what it do to this. Remember the balance from now, and we'll see the balance in 2 months. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and bye, guys. Mwah.